Good day, dear students. Welcome to Maths of Class 4, page number 25 and 26, part 1, from your Mathematics book 4, St. Textbook Board. Today our topic is Unit 2, Factors and Multiples, Divisibility Tests. Students, in our previous classes, you have heard the word divide. But have you ever heard divisibility rules? Well, students, today we will identify the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 5 and 10. Remember, students, a divisibility test is a quick way of testing if a given number is divisible by another number without doing the division. Before learning this, we have to remember some rules, and few of the rules means 3 rules are given in this part 1, and for next rules you have to see part 2 of this video. Rule number 1 is, students, I will repeat every rule again and again. You have to listen very carefully and to remember these rules. Rule number 1 is, every number is divisible by 1. I repeat, every number is divisible by 1. Rule number 2, a number is divisible by 2 if one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. I repeat, students, if one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is divisible by 2. The rule number 3 is, add the digits. If the result is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Students, remember these rules while watching the video, and next you have to watch video for part 1. Part 1. Watch this video very carefully because all these 3 rules are described practically in it. And the next 2 rules, the 5 or 6 rules we will learn, 3 parts given in this video, and rest of the rules will be described in part 2. What you will do, students? We are doing divisibility tests. For this, what you have to do? You have to make a chart over here. And you will see what are the divisors and factors. Okay, students? This is the chart over here. And you can see some of the numbers are given over there. For suppose, numbers are 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 12, 18, 24, 32 and 48. So over here I will write few of the numbers like 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. Till 9 we can write on this board, and rest of the numbers you will do in your papers or on your sheets, whatever you have with you. Okay, students. To find the divisors and factors of these numbers, or you can say only the divisors of these numbers. For suppose number 2 is here, so we will find the divisor of number 2. So what are the divisors of number 2? Before starting this, students, remember this, that every number is divisible by 1. 1 is a divisor of every number. So 1 should come here, and after that start counting the tables. For suppose after 1, what table comes? 2. 2 ones are 2. Yes. 2 is the divisor of 2. 1 and 2 are the divisors of 2. Now let's come to 4. As I said, that number 1 is always the divisor of every number. After 1, start counting the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That means 4 is coming in the table of 2. That is, 2 is the divisor of 2. After that, count the number of 3, table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are no. In the table of 3, 4 does not come. After 3, 4, the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, yes, 4 ones are 4. Means the number, the table in which these numbers are coming, those are the divisors of these numbers. For suppose 1 and 5, over here 1 and 7, and down 1, 3, 9, and rest of the numbers you will do yourself. Okay, students? I hope this is understood to you. We can say, students, we can say that in this lesson we are identify divisibility rules. So in this lesson we are finding the rules of divisibility. Okay? What are the numbers that are divisible in these numbers? The numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 10. Okay, let's move further, students. For this we will do an example. So students, you will understand, you have to learn the first rule. What is the first rule? That every number is divisible by 1. Let us examine some other numbers. For suppose two numbers are there, and we will divide both of those numbers with 2. Now students, I am going to divide two numbers by number 2, and with that we will see that are these numbers divisible by 2 or not. So students, numbers are and 92,357. Numbers are 1,456 and 92,357. We will divide both of these numbers with 2 first. You know students how we divide the numbers. First of all, we will see this first number, that is 1. First of all, we will see, is this first number less than 2 or greater than 2? But we can see that one number is less than 2, that means it will not divide in the table of 2. So what we have to do? We have to make this first number greater than 2. For that we will count this 4 with 1. So this will become 14. This will become 14 greater than 2. Now we can easily divide this number in the table of 2. Start counting the table of 2. Wherever the 14 comes, stop over there. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, students. 2 sevens are 14. We need 14 number now. So 2 sevens are 14. And what would be our next step? We have to minus these numbers. First, as I told you, that always start counting or solving the sum from the right of your side. So we are working on this number. So we will solve 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is again 0. Next we will take this 5 down over here, and what we do? We will see, is this number lesser than 2 or greater than 2? The 5 is greater than 2. So what we have to do? We have to count the table of 2. When the 5 comes, we have to stop it, or if 5 not comes, the number less than 5 comes, we will stop there. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4 will come here, students. Understood? Again we will repeat the sum, minus the number, minus 4 from 5. What will happen? 4 minus 5 is, answer is 1. Now we will see, 1 is greater or 2 is greater. 2 is greater, so we have to make this 1 bigger than 2. What we do? We will bring the 6 down to make 1 bigger or greater than 2. So we will do 6, we will bring 6 here. Now it has become greater than 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. Again we will minus these numbers. 6 out of 6, 0, 1 out of 1, 0. That means the remainder is 0. Remember, students, answer is 0. Now we will divide this next number with 2, that is 92,357. We will divide it with 2 again. We divided it 1,456 with 2. Again we will divide 92,357 with 2. 9. First of all, we see the first number which is bigger than 2. 2 fours are 8. Minus this number, 1 will come here. 1 is lesser than 2. We will make 1 bigger. For that we will bring 2 down. This has become 12. 2 6s are 12. Again we will minus. Start minus from right side. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. We will bring 3 over here. 3 is greater than 2. So count the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 12. 2 ones are 2 minus 1. 5 will come here. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. Minus 1 will bring this 7 here. This has become 17. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. We will minus these numbers. 1 will come here and 0. That means remainder is 1. And over here remainder is 0. So students, the second divisibility rule is a number is divisible by 2 if one's digit is 1 is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. If the last number of the number ends on these numbers, then it is clear that this number is divisible by 2. Let's come to the next example, students. We will divide two numbers with 3. The numbers are 1, 4, 5, 2 and 62,345. We will divide these numbers with 3. So students, what happened? First we have to divide this number with 3. What we will do? 1452 divided with 3. How we will divide this? We will see this 14. Will this 14 go in 3's table? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Because 3 fives are 15 will be greater than, 3 fours are 12. We have to minus 2. 5 comes here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. For this, it's very necessary that you should remember the tables. One over here and 2 will come here. That will be 3 fours are 12. Remainder is 0. Now we will divide 62,345 with 3. So on, we will carry on the same procedure again. That will 3 twos are 6, 2 is lesser than 3, we have to make it bigger. So we'll put 3 over here. This has become 23. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. है ना? तो 3 7s are 21. Over here we'll put 0 because these both numbers are coming down. So we will put 0 over here. And then divide 23 with 3. 23 is not coming in the table of 3. 21 is coming, and 21 is lesser than 3. 3 7s are 21. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So this 4 will come down. 3 8s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Now this 5 will come down. 3 1s are 3 minus 2. Remainder is 2. So what you understand with this sum, students? That I would write here, third rule of divisibility tests. Add the digits if the result is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. What is third rule, students? Add the digits. You have to add the digits. You can see in the book, page number 26, example is over here, that sum of the digits, if you will add these digits, the answer will be 20. If the result is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. I hope you understand till here, students. We will continue this in the next example. That would be the numbers divisible by 5.